Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan and today I'll be guiding you through another one of my guided workout episodes. Today, this episode is going to be consistent of a warm-up, a 3-round circuit training, and a cool down. If you're ready to learn something new, smash that thumbs up button and let's go ahead and get right into it. First up, we're going to go ahead and get warmed up. We're going to do 4 different exercises. We're going to perform each one of them for 30 seconds. So take this at your own pace. The first round will be a warm-up round to get our blood flowing and get our lungs fired up, ready for today's workout. Again, let's get ready to begin. First up, we're going to start with jogging in place. It's going to be a nice light motion. Go ahead and join me. Let's move nice and light on our feet, getting those arms involved. We're going to breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. And we're keeping our head and our chest up. Again, take this at your own pace. This is just a warm-up round. We have a couple of seconds left in this move. We're moving forward to high knees next. We're going to bring one knee up nice and high, alternating one at a time, exhaling to get our knee up nice and high. Again, we're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. And we're engaging our core, helping our knee get up nice and high. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're moving forward to steam engines next. For this, we're bringing our arms out to our sides here, and we're going to begin. Bringing opposite knee to opposite elbow. Meeting at the center. Exhaling to bring them up. Inhaling as we return. Exhale, inhale. Out through your mouth, in through your nose. We have a couple of seconds left here. Move with your breath. Great job. Next up, we're going to good mornings. We're going to stand at a hip width stance, arms come up behind our head, and we're engaging our glutes and hamstrings as we lean forward and coming right back up. Inhaling as you come down, exhaling as you come up. Engaging your abs and your glutes and your calf muscles here. We move with coordination for these last few seconds. Finish up your rep. Great job, my friends. That is our warm-up round. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. Go ahead and take a 30-second rest, and we'll meet back here for the first round of our circuit training. Welcome back, my friends. Let's go ahead and get started with the first round of our core workout. First up, we have roll-ups. Let's go ahead and lie on our back. We're going to lie nice and flat on our back and exhale. Rolling ourselves up, tapping those toes, and inhaling to roll back out. Exhale through your mouth, up, tap those toes, and inhale through your mouth to roll back out. Focus on your breath and engage that core. Finish up your rep. Great job. Next up, we have leg pull-ins. We're going to place our hands beside our hips, lean back and pull our legs in, bringing our knees into our chest before exhaling and returning to our starting position, keeping them off the ground. We inhale, we bring them into our chest and exhale through our mouth to return to our starting position. Finish up that rep. Great job. Go ahead, lie flat on your backs. We're moving forward to dead bugs next. We're bringing our legs up, arms up, and we're extending opposite limbs and bringing them back to our starting position. Inhaling to extend the limbs, exhaling to return. Focusing on our breath an engagement of our core. We move with coordination, and we finish up our rep. Great job. Next up, we have mountain climbers. We're going to turn it right around, and we're bringing our knees to our elbow in a high plank position, keeping our neck and our spine neutral, keeping our core engaged. We focus on our breath, breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. We keep those hands stacked directly below our shoulders. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take a 30-second rest. That concludes round 1 of this core training. We'll meet you here for round 2. Welcome back to round 2, my friends. Let's go ahead and get started. First up again, we have roll-ups. Let's go. Lie flat on our backs. Arms are extended over our head and exhaling through our mouth, bringing ourselves up, tapping those toes and leaning back, inhaling through our nose. We engage that core to get us wound back. And we repeat. Exhale up, inhale down. Exhale, we roll up. Inhale, we roll out. Last couple of seconds, finish up that rep. Let's go ahead and move forward to leg pull-ins. We're going to bring our hands out beside our hips, lean slightly back before we bring those knees in towards our chest. Inhaling to return. We exhale through our mouth and inhale through our nose. Focusing on our breath. Finding the strength in our breath. We continue to move with coordination. Next up, we have dead bugs. We're lying flat on our back, bringing those limbs up, and we are extending left arm and right leg before bringing them right back to center and alternating limbs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to extend. Exhale to return. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Finish up that rep. And we turn it around for some mountain climbers. Hands are directly below our shoulders. Exhale, bringing that knee to your elbow. And inhale through your nose to return. We repeat, alternating sides, keeping our neck and our spine neutral. Focus on our form. Great job, my friends. That concludes round 2. Go ahead and take another 30-second rest, and we'll meet here for our final round. Great job. This is round 3. Let's go ahead and get right into it with roll-ups. We're starting lying flat on our backs. Arms are extended above our head, and we begin exhaling through our mouth, and we tap those toes before we lean back, inhaling through our nose, engaging those abs. We move with our breath, inhaling through our nose as we lean back, exhaling through our mouth as we sit up. We have a couple of seconds left in this rep. Let's finish off nice and strong. And we're moving on to leg pull-ins. Again, hands are beside our hips. We're leaning slightly back before exhaling, bringing those knees in. Inhaling, returning to our starting position, keeping our feet off the ground, and we repeat. Exhale, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale through your mouth and inhale through your nose, focusing on that core engagement. Next up, we move forward to dead bugs. We're lying flat on our back, knees and arms come up, and we're extending, alternating limbs, focusing on our breath. In through our nose and out through our mouth. We move forward, moving with coordination and determination. Here we go. Let's turn it around. For our last set of mountain climbers, again, our hands are stacked directly below our shoulders, and we breathe out through our mouth to get those knees out to our shoulders. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Last couple of seconds here. Great job, my friends. That concludes round 3 of our core workout. Stay tuned for our cool down after this 30-second rest. We'll see you in a few. Welcome to our cool down round, my friends. Let's go ahead and begin. First up, we have some neck rolls. Go ahead and bring your gaze down. We're going to turn clockwise and counterclockwise. Your choice. Take it nice and slow. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. We move. Nice and slow. Go ahead and stop and rotate the opposite direction. Next up, we have a torso rotation. Go ahead and sit up on your knees. We're going to rotate between right and left, giving our torso a gentle twist between left and right. Focus on your breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Next up, we're bringing our arms up, grabbing on to each elbow. We're going to go to a lateral stretch on our right hand side, breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth, finding a nice stretch on our left hand side before we take it to our opposite side. Continue to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Great job. Next up, we're going to go into a forward fold. We're going to stand up. We're going to gently come down, grab onto those ankles or our calves or behind our knees as we come into a forward fold. Focus on your breath and give those hamstrings a nice deep stretch. Next up, we're taking it down to the ground again for some cat-cows. Getting into a table position, we're going to exhale, sending our spine up towards the sky. Inhale, sending our head up and spine down towards the ground. And we alternate. Inhale and exhale. Last couple of seconds. Let's turn it around onto our butts for a seated twist. Sending the right leg over the left, hugging the left knee with our left arm. And we send our gaze towards our left shoulder. Focus on your breath. Find a nice stretch in your lower back and your glute here. Last couple of seconds. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Right leg unwinds, left leg comes up. Right arm hugs the left leg, and we send our gaze towards our right shoulder. Focus on your breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth as we find a deeper stretch on our lower back and our left glute. Last couple of seconds. Release that leg and gently turn it around onto your knees. We're going into a child's pose. Legs are wider than hip width, and we're sending our booty back, coming into a child's pose. Send that head to the mat, placing your forehead on the ground if possible, and focusing on your breath. Last couple of seconds. Next up, we're going to send our left arm through, threading it underneath our right arm, letting our gaze follow through. Resting on our left shoulder and our head on the mat. We thread our needle in this child's pose position and breathe. Gently return to your child's pose and go to the opposite side, threading your right arm underneath your left, placing your head onto your mat and resting your shoulder on the mat if possible. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Last couple of seconds of this move. Great job, my friends. That concludes our cool down round. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to also set up your little bell for notifications so you don't miss the next workout. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.